Hit it.
Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome, welcome back. Welcome, welcome back. I am so glad you joined me. Hello, everyone. Welcome, welcome back. Thank you, Father, for allowing me to see another wonderful an amazing day. Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen, kings and queens. Welcome to another Crafty Vision segment. My name is Joyce McTier, and I'm going to be your host for today's video. So let's get right on into this. Today, I'm going to show y'all how to make a hoop earring that is pretty much going to be attached to some pretty fax pearls. And it's going to be a very lightweight earring. And if you are new to jewelry making, you will be able to make this earring. This video is for beginners also, okay? So let's go over the items that you're going to need. You're going to need some wire cutters, flat nose pliers, listen to me, round nose pliers, wire cutters, flat nose pliers. You're going to need a dowel. You're also going to need something to sand down your earring because I've been making these attachable fish hooks. And I do want to say that if you are not comfortable with using tarnish resistant wire, then you can get yourself some hypoallergenic wire to use for these earrings, or sterling silver, or some copper wire, okay? If you decide to sell these, all right? You're also going to need some spacer beads, which I am using these gold ones. Y'all know I love, 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 love gold spacer beads. I put them in everything. So you're going to need a total of 4 per earring. So that's 4. You're also going to need in this kit, now this kit I purchased from Walmart for those of you who want to know. And this is, both of these are 10, 8, 6, 4, and 3. You're going to be using one 8mm, one 6mm, and 2 4mm. All right, 2 of those. And so you're going to need a total of 4 of these fax pearls for your earring. 4 per earring, okay? I mentioned some tarnish resistant brass. That's what I'm going to be using, and I'm going to cut myself a generous amount, okay? A generous amount for these earrings. And I will let you all know how long this is. About 21 inches, okay? About 21 inches, all right? That's what you're gonna need. So, the very first thing that we're going to do, sorry y'all, my camera and everything is moving around. The very first thing you're going to do is you're going to add on your 8mm bead first. So we're going to put this on, and when we put this on, we're going to take it through both at the same time. So one piece go through here. Y'all gonna have to excuse my fingernails. The other piece go through this side here, and you want to try to make sure that as you're pulling it through to make your hoop, that you're doing kind of sort of at the same time. You want your wires to be on the same length. A lot of times it will be, sometimes it won't, okay? And you just want to make sure that whenever you make these, that your hoop, you measure your hoop to make sure that your hoop is the same size as your first one, so that your earring so that they will match up and pretty much be the same size. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do with this is I'm just going to take, see that, just like that, and I'm like massaging, just like that, okay? All right, so that's what you're going to have. Now I'm going to go ahead and start adding on my beads. So I'm going to add 1 gold bead on one side. I'm going to add another gold bead on the other side. And then I'm going to take and put on my 4mm on one side. Okay, that's what you're going to have. And then I'm going to come back on this side and put another 4mm and then add my last 2 spacer beads. Okay, put that on that side. And all right, so basically this is what your earring should look like. All right, the very last thing you want to do is you're going to add on your very last bead. So you're going to take this one, which is your 6mm, and you're going to put it through, and then you're going to, whoops, you're going to put that through, and then you're going to take your wire and come from the other side and put that through, and then you're just going to bring it down like this. Okay, as you're pulling it through. All right, just like this. And take your time to work it down because you're working with the wire. It may feel a little resistant, but boop, see that? And that's what you're gonna have. All right. Now, once you get here, once you get it down in there, you're gonna pull this as tight as you can, and you're going to pinch this wire up like that. Okay, and then you're going to do it for this side as well. So you're going to pull it and then pinch it up. Okay, so okay, and that's what you're going to have. And then you're going to just bring it one side over, bring that side over, and that's what you should have. All right. Now, once you get here, you're going to twist it. So you're going to take your hand and you're just going to twist it, and you're going to bring one piece of your wire up. Straighten it out. And then you already know you're going to do a series of twists. So you can do as many as you see fit. And you can make these earrings in multiple colors. Just like that. Okay, wait a minute. All right. And like I always say, you can wrap it as many times as you need. All right. So this is about as many times as I'm going to wrap it. Then I'm going to take and come here and just snip, boop, that off like that. I'm going to take my flat nose pliers and then just come in and squeeze all of my wire together. I'm also going to make sure that that piece that in the back that I cut is flushed up against the wire and it's not sticking as I go around squeezing it, just like that. Okay, and that's what you're going to have. And then the very last thing that we're going to do is we're going to, now the piece that you cut, that's going to be in the back, the front of the wire, you're going to pinch this to the front. All right, and then you're going to take your dowel and you're going to make your shape on your dowel. Just like that. Firmly. Okay. So you can have your fish hook. And that's what you're going to have. Now, the very last thing you're going to do is you're going to take and snip right about there. All right, so you're going to snip pretty much where you wrapped that. And then all you're going to do next is sand this part down. So I'm going to go do that off camera. Okay. Once we get it sand down, then we're just going to take and make a loop. And then you got yourself a gorgeous pair of earrings. All right. This is what you're going to have. These are different. They are dainty. You can make these. You can make the actual hoops itself bigger. But in order to do that, you would have to use more wire. Okay. So please make sure that you thumbs up this video, like and share it out to your social media platforms. And you can also do these in different colors. It doesn't necessarily have to be white. You can do as many colors as you see fit. All right. So with that being said, thank y'all so much for joining me for this here tutorial. And until my next upload, peace and blessings, everyone. See ya.